Hey guys, Linda here with the Reese Group, and today we're gonna tour a couple of houses in Coconut Grove. They are for sale. We're working with a few buyers now that the market is a little slower, and clients can see a property and present an offer without being worried of having to compete with 20 other ones. And so the first one is here in Nocatee. This is North Grove. We are on the ridge. It's a cute, beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage. And let's see what it looks like. I'm here with Jenna, my colleague and friend, and I came to see one of her beautiful listings. She'll tell you all about it.
Thank you for coming, Linda. We are here in North Grove at 1761 Nocatee Drive. It's an amazing 3-2. It's super cute. It has gorgeous original terrazzo floors in the bedrooms downstairs, and it has this magical side yard that the whole house looks out onto, and this great pool.
So if you are a buyer, give me a call and I'll be happy to show it to you. And if you're an agent, call Jenna and help her sell it. Thank you, guys.
Thanks.